Wyoming's energy future depends on two things we've always valued: a fair public process and a strong business climate. Wind and renewable energy projects are not approved behind closed doors. They move through a transparent, multi-step permitting process with opportunities for public review and local participation. The process begins locally. Developers notify adjacent landowners and hold public open houses where residents can learn about proposed projects, ask questions, and provide feedback. Projects are then reviewed by the local planning and zoning board, where issues like roads, setbacks, wildlife, emergency services, viewsheds, reclamation, and other local impacts become part of the public record. Next, county commissioners consider the project in a public meeting. Wyoming law requires county approval before wind or solar facilities can be built, giving residents another opportunity to comment and recommend conditions. Larger wind projects also go through Wyoming's industrial siting process. Projects with 20 or more turbines are reviewed by the Industrial Siting Council with agency review, public notice, landowner input, and a public hearing near the affected community. This process helps ensure projects are thoroughly evaluated while allowing communities to benefit from new investment, jobs, tax revenue, and payments to landowners. Wyoming doesn't have to choose between local control and economic growth. Our permitting process ensures projects receive careful public review while keeping Wyoming open for business and positioned for the future.